Hi, I would like to share with you guys the POV I experienced during 2 days of the present concert in Korea. So the first day I got the floor ticket, but I sit at the very back row of F13, so it's close to the extended stage, but I couldn't really see what happened on main stage, so I mostly recorded from the LCD screen. But when the members are going to the extended stage, I still got their face and look at their face quite clear. And I still got this pretty view for my day choir. And look at that, Sungjin. I used the maximum zoom for this. And the best part is I got to see them up close like this. So I got to record Songjin and Wonpil close when they are riding the train. And the best thing about being on the floor seat is to be able to experience this moment when the balloons are turning down, and I can also record the confetti. So yeah. Well, the next day I was on the 4th floor. It's the highest floor, but I sit on the 3rd row, so it's basically quite close and not too up top or the very high peak of the building. And I still can see the stage quite clear because the LED are so great. The best thing about being at the 4th floor is to enjoy my days, the light plays, and the overall performance in a great view. So basically, for you guys who doesn't really mind to not recording the close-up fan cams, I think this is the best view for you because it's pretty, right? The light looks really great from up here. And to be honest, I enjoyed the second days the most compared to the first day, because I am fully seated, not like the first day. DAY6 asked us to stand up from our seat, and the people in front of me are taller than me, most of them, so I couldn't really see DAY6 clearly. But in settings like this, I can enjoy the concert in a comfortable way. And what I love the most is I can appreciate everything from the orchestra, the lightings, the confetti, the chants, the choir, the music, and everything. So yeah, it's a great view to enjoy the overall performance of DAY6 concert. So what do you guys think? Which one do you think you are going to take on the Forever Young encore on Jakarta concert? Are you the tribune team or the floor team to get to see DAY6 up close? Share your thoughts.